Hi, James Tevet here, and I'm very excited today to introduce my new T24 trading setup. A lot of traders are not able to day trade simply because they're either at work or busy or sleeping, or perhaps they just don't want to sit at the computer for that many hours a day. And what I've got today for you is the T24 system. And it takes under 15, probably only 10 minutes a day for you to enter the trades, for you to put the orders in, and then just walk away for 24 hours. What I'm doing is sending out my own trading strategies, which I'm trading on a live account, and I'll be sending them to you at a certain time every day. It should be 12 midnight Eastern time. And you can go and have a look at timeanddate.com and find out what time period that is in your own time zone. And what I do is I send you a strategy for the euro, the pound, the Australian dollar, all of those three against the US dollar, and the dollar Japanese yen. And I'll send you an entry price, a stop loss, and a take profit area, take profit price. They're all going to be very precise levels. And often, most of the time, they'll be entry orders, limit orders. Sometimes, at that time, 12 a.m. or 12 midnight Eastern time, I'll ask you to enter the market at the current market price. And it's as simple as that. You leave the trades for 24 hours, you come back, and you check again 24 hours later, and then I'll send you my own personal strategy again for the next 24 hours. I want to be absolutely clear that this is not a signal service. I'll be sending you my own trades, my own personal trades, which I'll be trading on a live account, and also publishing the live statement at the end of every month. In other words, I'll show you exactly what happened on my own live account, and you'll be able to sort of check that out against what you've achieved. So the information I send you is my own personal trading strategy, and you're able to do with that what you want. You can either copy the trades, or you can use them for your own trading strategies, your other trading strategies. But the idea is that I set these trades into my deal station, I forget about them for 24 hours, I can turn my computer off, I don't have to look at the trades again until 24 hours later. It's absolutely fantastic for people, as I said, who are either working during those hours, or who are asleep, or simply don't want to be trading, want to be doing other stuff. So there's no monitoring, there's no worrying about the trades, there's no possibility of missing the trades, no sleepless nights, staying up all night day trading, and it's just a fantastic system. Now, this is how it works. You sign up on this page for my T24 trading alerts, my own trades. Remember, it's not a signal service, and you get instant access, and I'll be sending them to you every single day. All you've got to do is set the trade into your deal station, put the entry price, the entry order, or the current market price, the stop loss, and the take profit area, and then come back 24 hours later, and either the trades will be stopped out for a loss, or they will have hit the profit target, or they'll still be open. And then I'll be updating you as to what I'll be doing with those open trades. And literally it will take you less than 10 or 15 minutes to check out what I'm doing and decide what to do with that information yourself. Let me show you how easy this really is. Every day at 12 midnight Eastern time, which is around about 6 o'clock European time, and about 6 to 8 hours later in the East, I'll send you an email from Underground Cash, that's admin@undergroundcash.com, to your own email address, and the subject will be today's T24 strategy. And you can see for each of these four currency pairs, the euro, the pound, and the Aussie, all against the dollar, and the US dollar against the Japanese yen, I'll be sending you a very simple strategy. Let me give you an example. The euro, sell at this price, 46.80. So you set the order in, and you put a limit order in to sell at that price. The stop loss, a little bit higher than that, 47.35, and the target 4600. That'll literally take you probably a minute, maybe a minute and a half. The same for the pound, buy at that price. There's the stop, there's the target. Nothing on the Australian dollar on this particular day, and the dollar yen, buy at 98.08. There's the stop, there's the target. It's very, very simple. Simple as that. You'll receive the email in your inbox around about midnight Eastern time, and all you've got to do is open your deal station, enter the trades, shut your deal station down, and if you want, shut your computer down and come back 24 hours later, and I'll update you at that time. Let me show you just how simple this is. I've got my E75 challenge account, and I'm going to place a dummy order for you just to show you how quick it is. So what I want to do is buy the euro, for example, at 1.49. And then I put my stop loss in, let's say at 1.48. I'm just putting fictitious orders in here. So buy at 149, stop loss at 148, and my target at 150. So I've got my unit size, the lot size that I've chosen. I want to buy at 149, my take profit 1.5, my stop loss 1.48, and I submit my order, and that's the euro done. As simple as that. And then I do the same for the pound. If there's a trade on the pound, I can put my order in the pound. That'll take me another 30 seconds. The same for the Aussie, and the same for the dollar yen. I'm just going to delete that order quickly so it doesn't remain in place. And I'm just going to close that, cancel it. Alright, so it's as simple as that. So you can go down on this page and sign up. It's $97 a month, and I'm absolutely certain that it'll be well worth it for you. Just a point about the targets for the month. I may reach my monthly target, which will be about 300 to 500 pips in a month. And if I reach my monthly target during the month, then I may be inclined to stop trading and start again the following month. That's because once I've hit my profit target, I'd like to retain the profits in the account and make sure that I bank them and then move forward to the next month. So about 300 to 500 pips is my target, and I'll be trading my own account at 3 to 1 up to maybe 5 to 1 leverage. I would suggest that if you're new to trading, and also if you're just new to these strategies that I'm putting out, that you either trade these on a demo account or on a very small live account, perhaps just very small lot sizes, just a very small leverage, so that you can get used to see what I'm doing and to see how it works for you, and to make sure that you're protecting your account, protecting your equity very, very carefully. So that's all I really want to say. Just to summarize, it's a set and forget system. I'll be putting my order in at 12 midnight Eastern Time. That's about 6 a.m. in Europe, probably a little bit before that in California, and let me think, in the Australian time zone and the sort of Eastern time zone, it'll be about 8 hours after 6 a.m., so it'll be about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it really is a good time that suits everyone, and particularly for those who are not in New York, in fact. But if you are in the New York Eastern time zone, well, you've got to wake up in the middle of the night just for 10 minutes, put your orders in, and it's well worth it if you can make a profit. So it's a set and forget system. You put your orders in, you come back 24 hours later, and you either take your profit or you have open trades or whatever, and the target for the month is 300 to 500 pips. Very, very, very simple. And if you don't understand how it works, you can always email me on admin@undergroundcash.com once you've joined up. And it's as simple as that. One more thing I want to mention, and I've got it on my screen right in front of me, is that this is a prepaid service. In other words, you pay for your first month up front. Now that might sound a little scary, but it's on a prepaid and 100% refundable basis. So if you want to receive my strategies through the month for your first 30 days, and it doesn't work for you, or you don't like it, or you don't find it to be profitable, then simply email me and I'll refund your money. No questions asked. Absolutely 100% watertight guarantee. I think that's the best way. You pay your money, you trade with me for a month. If it doesn't work out for you, I'll send you your money back. So there really is no risk to you whatsoever, and I'm really excited about this service. All you've got to do, go down to the bottom of the page here, enter your details into the sign-up form, and you'll get instant access, and I'm looking forward to trading with you. So take care. I'm very, very excited about this service. It's going to help a lot of folks out. Speak to you very soon.